Find the area enclosed by the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Or find the area of the ellipse means we want to know x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. First one we draw a diagram. That is x axis, y axis. Ellipse. That is, this is ellipse. This total curve, this corresponding x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Next here, origin 0, 0. So this x corresponding 0 to a, y corresponding 0 to b. X corresponding 0 to a, this corresponding, and b, this y corresponding b. Okay. From this equation, from this x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If we want to find first one x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From this equation, we are going to calculate x. So here x square divided by a square is equal to, what is 1 minus y square divided by b square. Right? Next, so what we are going to do? So that is equal to, for our convenience we can take LCM. That is equal to what? B square. So here b square minus y square. Next we want x, that is x square is equal to, so we can cross multiply. So that is what? A square divided by b square into b square minus y square. B square minus y square. X square is equal to. So from this equation, we can easily find out what is this corresponding x. X equal to plus or minus. So for our convenience, we are going to take first quadrant. So that is only positive term. That is equal to what? A by b square root of b square minus y square. So x is equal to, from this equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So now we are finding x equal to a divided by b into square root of b square minus y square. Right? In other words, same equation. If you want to find the y limit, similarly, that is y square divided by b square is equal to 1 minus x square divided by a square, then you can take LCM. Then y square is equal to, then y is equal to. Okay. So this is x square plus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This corresponding x equal to a by b square root of b square minus y square. Okay. So here x corresponding 0 to a, y corresponding 0 to b. Now this corresponding curve. So here x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So now we are going to take this horizontal strip. So what is here? X equal to 0. That is on the y axis. X equal to 0 to x equal to a by b square root of b square minus y square. One of the limit over. This corresponding x limit over. Then y limit, very simple. Y is equal to, what is the corresponding y? Y is equal to 0 to b. That's all. Okay. So what is, we can enter the problem. So what is the corresponding limit? X limit, x is 0 to a by b square root of b square minus y square. Then y is equal to 0 to b. Right. So area of the ellipse. Area of the ellipse means this is what? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So four quadrants every quadrants are equal. So now we are going to find the first quadrant, multiply with the 4 times, we can get total ellipse, area of the ellipse. That's why we are multiplying 4 into area of the ellipse in the first quadrant. So first quadrant only positive. So that's why we are taking positive. Okay. So what is the limit? First that is 4 times. Over 0 to y is equal to 0 to b, x equal to 0 to a by b square root of b square minus y square into dx into dy. So first integrate with respect to x, then x equal to 0 to x equal to a by b square root of b square minus y square. Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So integral dx, that is equal to x. Upper limit, that is x equal to a by b square root of b square minus y square. Lower limit 0. Next we can substitute. That is upper limit a by b square root of b square minus y square minus lower limit 0 into d. Now we have here integration formula. So what is integral square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to this corresponding variable x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square divided by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So in our problem, this corresponding x. So here y. Instead of so here what is x equal to y? Then here a is equal to b. Okay, we are going to replace. So that is 4 into. So this a by b integral 0 to b square root of b square minus y square into dy. Okay, now 4a divided by b using this formula. What is here? Y by 2 square root of b square minus y square plus this corresponding constant b square divided by 2 sin inverse of y by b. Upper limit b, lower limit 0. So now we are going to substitute. That is y is equal to b. Listen. So y is equal to b. So here y square. b square minus b square, that is equal to 0. This total term 0. Total term 0. Then plus b square divided by 2 sin inverse of y is equal to b. b by b, that is equal to 1. Sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 corresponding what is the angle? That is equal to 90 degree. That is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So this is upper limit. Next we are going to substitute lower limit. That is y is equal to 0. So what is remaining? Y is equal to 0. You can substitute it. Then y is equal to 0 means total term 0. So here as it is y equal to 0. That is sin inverse of 0. Sin inverse of 0. That is sin 0, 0. Sin 0, 0. So this corresponding term 0. Okay. So what is 4a divided by b? So here this total term 0. B square divided by 2 sin inverse of 1, that is equal to pi by 2 90 degree minus this corresponding b square divided by 2 into sin 0 0 0 total term 0. Okay, now we are going to collect this term. Okay, so that is 4a divided by b, then b square divided by 2 into pi by 2, that is 2 times this 2 will be cancelled, then remaining pi a b. That is area of the ellipse pi AB. Thank you.